Looks interesting. Look at the North Atlantic oscillation. It's going to be neutral, then it's going to dip down to negative. Look at the PNA. It's going to go very positive. A very, very good sign for a lot of snow. Look how negative we were. And now look at this. This December is going to be very snowy for the East Coast. Look at the Arctic oscillation. Look at the North Atlantic oscillation. This looks very promising for a lot of snow. I am now changing my forecast for this winter from 20 to 40 inches to 50 to 60 inches for New York City. This might be one of the snowier winters in New York City because the Pacific North American pattern is going to be going very positive. This means we're going to have a big dip in the jet stream. We're going to have a lot of storms on the East Coast. It's going to be epic. I'm telling you, epic right now. Especially that we have a La Nina, which definitely supports this kind of pattern. But the fact that you're having a blocking during a La Nina, which is unusual, it's going to bring a lot of snow to the East Coast. You're going to have storms going up and over, the ridge, and then they're going to basically bomb out off the coast. And let me show you something very interesting. Look at this. Look at this anomaly off the East Coast. Just like we had on, 2014, 2015 winter. Look at this. And also, this is pretty warm too. I think some patches are cool, but look at this. Warm here, warm here. So I'm going to take you back to 2015. November 30th, 2014. And here's the difference. The anomaly is much weaker at that time. Here, even though you had this. Look at that. You're not having this right now, but look at this. It's much weaker, much more disorganized. The anomaly this year, it's epic. I mean, look at this. It's very pronounced. Look at all this warmth here. Look how strong this La Nina is right now. My God. Yeah, you're definitely going to have a lot of storms. And plus, look at this. Look at all this warmth here. It's going to feed in a lot of storms. You might have a lot of subtropical moisture. Because even in 2010, in the winter of 2010, 2011, let's go back. Look at all that. Look at all that warmth here. Look how cold all this water was. Look how powerful the La Nina was. And we still had a record-breaking snow year. But the main reason we had that breaking snow year is because of all that warmth there. But this year is also pointing to a record-breaking snow year. And the reason for that, I'll point it out. It's this here and this here. These two warm patches of water, over here and over here, and even though there is some warmth here, will cause a very snowy winter to develop. And I mean very snowy winter. This winter could be one of the snowiest in the last decade or two. This is going to be a very snowy winter. Look how cold the south equator is getting. In fact, that Agung is about to erupt. Could make the world a whole lot colder. It looks like for this winter, I'm upping the snowfall prediction to 50 to 60 inches. And some local areas could get more, especially inland areas where more snowfall. Areas in the Poconos could get 80 to 90 inches. And that's going to be epic. Well, thank you for watching. Before I go, Boston should get at least 70 to 80 inches this year, especially west of the city. Thank you for watching. Bye. And this is my official snowfall total, or basically the winter battle zone is going to be here on the East Coast. Blizzards likely inland. A couple blizzard or so is likely on the coast as well. I think there'll be a threat of ice storms, especially in the south. As you'll have these major dips. And some of the models are already hinting that might be an ice storm in a couple weeks in the south. So there'll be a big threat of ice storms. The winter battle zone should be in the southern central area, especially Midwest and the south should have ice storms and a couple snowstorms as well. But the big storms will really, really take off along the East Coast. I mean, look at this. We might have some big blockbuster storms, and I mean it. Look at this. Very likely for some major storms to form here, especially the waters off in the East Coast are very warm right now. If you have a good storm that comes off, it's gonna, and the fact that North America is gonna be colder this year than 2014, 2015, and you're having warmer waters now off the coast, could mean the bigger temperature contrast and bigger storms and more snow. Thank you for watching. Bye.